Hello everyone, it's Sophia Hodgson from Rusty Blue 85 and I'm back with a haul video. I know that they're not necessarily everybody's cup of tea, but I am just so excited by the things that have arrived just in time for World Card Making Day. So my blender brushes from Tailored Expressions have arrived. So I pre-ordered these back in the summer from a company called Dies to Die For, which is quite local to me actually. So they're based in Surrey. And I ordered the brushes and the little merry-go-round holder because I think that it's very, very useful to have. Otherwise, I don't know how I would be storing them. Hey Malky, you helping? Hey sweetie. Sorry, the cat's just climbing on my lap to help. If you see a bit of tail, don't worry, it's the cat. So as you can see from the brown, I have used that on a birthday card that I've got to give to a colleague next week. So I've already used them and I love them. They blend so nicely and the brushes are really, really soft. And I know that I could have purchased some relatively cheap brushes from Amazon, but oops, sorry, cat's knocking me on the stand. Hello sweetie, settle down, be a good boy. I could have purchased some relatively cheap ones from Amazon, but I really, really like the fact that they are colour-coded. You seen a birdie, sweetie? Sorry, this is not going the way I was expecting. Malcolm is very excited by life at the moment. I love the fact that these are colour-coded because otherwise I would constantly be picking up the wrong one, especially if they're all black. And I like the fact that they've got like a pale blue and a dark blue because blues are like my most often used colours because you use them for sky, for galaxy backgrounds and for underwater scenes. So to have a light and a dark blue is so useful. So I'm so happy that I have that. If you use blender brushes, do let me know in the comments what your view of them is. I probably won't be using them for, you know, kind of doing a whole blended background because I think that these sponges give you faster coverage, but in terms of just getting an extra bit of detail on some smaller die cuts or just through stencils and things, I think that these are perfect. So the other bit of this haul video is my order came from MFT. So this is the card kit, and on previous occasions I have found that the stuff that's available in the card kit then isn't available individually for like a month or two in the UK, so I decided that I was going to purchase the card kit. As it turns out, I didn't really need to because everything became available almost the second this arrived. But anyway, I'm super excited. This is my first ever card kit from My Favourite Things and a few other bits that I ordered. The Bitty Holiday Wishes stamp set, I think this is going to be so helpful for Christmas. Sorry, sneezing away. So this is going to be so useful for Christmas. I already have the everyday sentiments, so having some Christmas specific ones is just great. I ordered the Starry Night Horizontal. I think that this might actually be very useful for Halloween, which is coming up. And the Skinny Stripes. I just think that that's going to be useful for like clean and simple cards. I think just get that going. This is the bit that I was most excited about. So I've got both of the colour bursts from Ken Oliver for the MFT. I suspect that you'll be seeing a card using these quite soon. I won't lie, like I'm not the biggest fan of pinks, oranges and yellows. That end of the colour spectrum is just not really my thing. I'm far more into the purples and blues and greens. But I'm kind of challenging myself to use these so that, I mean, after Christmas comes Easter and spring, so I think that I'll probably use these quite a lot during the summer and spring, so I will get to use them, but probably not quite as much as these three. So I'm so excited that I've got colour bursts for the very first time. So this die was freebie for spending a certain amount of money on the website. I never have enough thank you cards, so I'm just gonna run that through my die cutting machine 100 times just so that I have loads of thank yous on hand. This has got to be the most adorable stamp set I've ever seen. It's so cute! I love Stacey Akula's illustrations, so cute. I might have left it a bit late in terms of autumnal birthday cards and things, but this is one that's gonna stay in my stash for years. I love it, so cute. So as part of the, whoops, I'll just take that out. As part of the kit, we got the, thank you Mal, good boy. The Starry Night sentiments and the matching dies. So these dies cut out the large words. So that was something that I was quite excited about because I have very few kind of coordinating stamps with die sets that are sentiments. And I also have the vertical Starry Night. Again, probably going to use this for Halloween. So excited about Halloween. So part of the, oh, that's where we went through. You don't need to see that. So there's the inspirations of things that you can do with the contents of the card kit. And last but not least are all of the cards that come with the card kit. So there is some Ken Oliver watercolour card in here for use with the colour bursts, so I will definitely be giving that one a go. And we also have some smooth white. I don't know if this is on the screen. No. Smooth white, field day, blueberry and grape jelly. So there to go with the colour bursts. So you've got the colour bursts, the cardstock, and everything that you could need to make some cards. So I'm so excited, it's my first ever card kit and I'm really happy about that. So hopefully I will be making some cards with this card kit very soon. Stay tuned to see that. And thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please click the subscription button below and press the bell if you want any notifications of when I upload new videos. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a lovely day. Bye.